Hi everyone, ever thought about making your own wash-up liquids from things you would normally throw away? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can create a homemade wash-up liquid using just one bottle of the soap you have bought from the shop and adding orange, pineapple and lemon peels to make more quantity, and by that you save. Every little helps. And guess what? We are also going to add a little bit of salt, sodium bicarbonate, and Coca Cola. Sound interesting, right? So let's make it happen and see how we can turn trash into something incredibly useful. So you boil all the pills and sieve them as I am doing. You add the sodium bicarbonate, 2 cups like that, and you add salt. Then you add Coca Cola, about 500 ml, and you stir together. Then add the soap, the liquid soap. I'm using the fairy. So we see that pineapple peels contain enzymes that can help with cleaning. Lemon peels are known for their fresh scent and antibacterial quality. Together, they don't only make your soap smell amazing, but also help in killing germs. Coca-Cola has carbonic and phosphoric acid, which can help in breaking down grease and grime. And look at what I got. I've filled them in my used bottles. This can serve for a long a period of time, thus making a little saving. So try them, try it out and see how you get on. Together, let us make trash to something that we can actually use. So, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share this video as well. And look out for our next video. Look at how soapy it is when you begin to use it in washing. And the fragrance, the zest from the orange and pineapple, they are amazing. Before, or as I clean with the soap or detergent that is bought from the shop, sometimes cleaning the stove or cleaning the bathrooms, they choke, they are choking. But this one, there is nothing like that. So let's go and make some savings. See you in our next video.